Hello, we have a new library catalog, and today I'm going to show you how to log in to your library account so you can put things on hold and check out which books you have checked out. Here we are at the wildwoodlibrary.org. From here, we're going to click on search our library catalog. That's our new catalog. Our catalog shows lots of things. There's lots of quick lists that you now have access to, where you can find gender identity books, MCBA books for this year, the best of Wildwood picture books, and many others. For you who would like to log in, go up to where it says guest, press on the downward arrow, and log in via SSO. This is a single sign on, which means it will automatically, when you click that blue button, it will automatically read your Google account, select your ARPS account, and show you all your books that you've checked out, allow you to search the catalog and put something on hold. This is telling me that I currently have 41 books on loan to me. I can look at all of those books by pressing on that button. These are all my books, when I checked it out, when it's due, and a picture of it. I can see only my overdues, when I checked it out, and when it's due. I can look at all my loan history for this year. This catalog is new. It will only show me books I checked out this year. If I want to put something on hold, I'm going to search for it. The Party is a brand new chapter book by Kathleen Lane. It's out right now. So, two ways I can put it on hold. I can pick it up by dragging it to holds, and it will place the hold for me. I can also click on the book and place it on hold by pressing the third button here. This will tell me when it's due, so possibly when I'll get it. Now, if I go back to my account, I can see that I now have a new button that shows me my books on hold. I am number 1 next in the queue for this item, and when it's ready, it will be in resources awaiting pickup.